Hi, I'm Michael Gagnete of San Miguel Beerman, and you're watching Zone Defense.
So everybody's confident.
Bonking to a 15-foot jumper, no good. Rebound. It's gonna. That's. I mean, that's was with free throws. His final points in the NBA was with free throws.
Wow, remember that.
And Rosser.
There you go.
Kanya rin. Drops it off.
And he will finish it up.
Here comes Blackwater on the push. Rosser off the window for his first field goal.
You watch it right here. Ito yung nangyari. Nice pass coming from Casio.
Passer to Rosser.
He's been looking
Three-pointer
for
is
that
delivered
shot.
by Take another look at this.
Here's a wide open shot.
Brandon turns the corner. Hangs in the air.
Oh, that's the move.
Here's that move again.
What a way. Put it on the floor. And then the suspension.
Wing it to Hugnatan. Reynolds delivers. States kicks it back out. Baclao.